As you can see by this beautiful black box here with the silver Seiko Prospex writing on it, we are looking at a Seiko special edition. And in particular, we are going to be looking at the Seiko SLA059. Now this is a USA special edition, and you've probably seen pictures of these online. The watch looks absolutely stunning. Very nice presentation box here. And man, this thing's pretty big. Let's see. Get this guy out of here. On the bottom there. Would it be here? Yep, your warranty information and stuff is under the fabric there. Here we go. Let's take a look at this. This is a Seiko, which means ocean wave pattern, and that's what we see here in the cufflinks. And especially what's the most important to us is right here in the dial. What the? So here at this angle, I'm trying to capture it for you. You can see the Seiko pattern, or the ocean wave pattern on the dial. In the pictures, you see it looks a little more pronounced, but it really doesn't interfere with the visibility of the watch. It's real subtle, and it's real classy looking. We've got this blown up pretty big here, and I had to keep moving it around so you can see the actual wave pattern. Usually when you look at it, you just see that kind of that cool dark red, reddish brown color to it. And this one here, I think, is a bold move to do the red. The blue one, we'll take a look at the blue version in another video. But, you know, I wasn't too sure when I saw it, but then seeing it in real life, this is a really killer piece. You look at the dial, it's phenomenal. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a lot of people from outside the US that want to get this watch. I mean, this is a US special edition, but this rich burgundy dial is phenomenal. Trying to move it around so you can see it. We'll go ahead and, so you see, like when I bring it out, you hardly see that wave pattern anymore. So it doesn't really interfere with the watch, because sometimes when you go crazy on the dials, it kind of you know, it makes it harder with the visibility. But this is fantastic here. And this here has the one-piece case design. If you look at the case there, it is totally closed. They had to go through the front and put all the movement and the dial and everything in there through that. This is based on the Seiko 1968 model. It's basically a reinterpretation of that one. This particular piece here is a limited edition. No, this one is a special edition. So this one will be, you know, in the Seiko catalog, but it is not a limited. The blue dial is the limited edition one, and we will discuss that in another video. But I love this burgundy one. You got that one-piece case design, and it's got, of course, the black hard coating, and that has the super hard coating, and then the black hard coating on the ceramic bezel there on around the dial. Here's another shot of the back, so you can see it's got the the Seiko Tsunami Wave on there, and labeled Special Edition. So excited about the watch, I just jumped straight into the watch. This watch, besides having the metal band, comes with the silicone band there, and it also comes with a pair of cufflinks, because we all know divers need cufflinks to go with their watches. Now, all joking aside, the cufflinks are pretty cool, and you know, if I ever wore cufflinks, I think I would definitely use them because they're pretty nifty. Let's get them out of here so you can see the red intensity to match the dial there. It's very cool. And then it comes with an extra little pouch for the watch underneath, or under here. Oh, look at that little Prospex pouch for the cufflinks, so you can take this to go. So it's a pretty nifty box we got going here with the watch, and this is kind of neat. Just check this out. Look, see that foam that protects the watch? Boom, there you go. You got that the same ocean wave pattern that you find on the watch is displayed on the box. Very nice presentation and everything. You know, it just, oh, and there's supposed to be a scroll. Let me see, where is it? I think it's under here. Yep. Look at that, hiding from us, guys. Almost missed that, sorry. So again, I love how they go into the Japanese culture when they're doing these watches, how they're proud of their heritage, and they're showing it. Oh, look at the waves. And then you got the ocean waves on the bottom there. This is pretty neat, you know. There you go. Leave it on for a second so you can read it. Yep, see? Blue ocean waves pattern. Symbol of peace and good fortune. We all need more of that. It's treasured in Japan. It's found on ancient maps and illustrations. So that's why we got this little scroll here. And so let's go to the Burgandy. It captures the moving light. So this is a watch definitely designed for deep sea. This is a 300-meter watch, and it is by Seiko's in-house 26 jewel caliber 8L35 mechanical movement, and it is hand assembled expressly for divers watches at their Shizuki watch studio. So, scrolled up real fast. So a neat little addition. I know it's just a little scroll, but it really helps give you the vibe and the feeling of the watch. So it's definitely neat. This little guy's gonna be a pain to get back in there, but, and so if you like the metal band, you like the, you know, silicone, you can just kind of switch them. You've got the holes there in the side in order to do it yourself. And like the 68 models, it is a pretty thick case. All right, so here you can see it on my wrist. It does sit up a little bit, but overall, you know, it's got some weight to it, some heft. This movement, the 8L35 movement, and a single piece case. It is a little bit of the larger watch for Seiko. This one is, what is that? 44.3. So it's kind of in line with all the other ones that they do. It just feels a little bit bigger. But the curved lugs there always help, you know, when Seiko always does that, so it kind of fits the wrist better. I think it's really the thickness of the watch that makes it feel bigger than it really is. It's one that when you're wearing it, you definitely feel it. It's got the weight to it. And my wrist, again, is about a 7.5-inch wrist, to give you an idea of how it would look on yours. Again, 44.3 millimeter. This is based on the 68 model. And the power reserve on this is the 8L35, so it gives you about 50 hours, and that's a 26 joules and 28,800 vibrations per hour. And you can see it's got all the markers there. ISO kind of made that ruling where they wanted all the markers shown on the dive watches, so you got the date there and that little tiny marker there right next to it. You can see right there, but oh, check out that the blue ocean wave pattern. Man, that's pretty cool. Good looking watch. And let's take a look at this guy in the dark and see what we think. Oh no, where are you? Oh, here I am. Here we go. Man, this thing lights up like a Christmas tree. I mean, geez, look at that lume. This is fantastic. And he even got some of the lume there on the bezel. Man, that thing is cool. Check it out. Look at that far away, guys. As soon as the camera can get in focus. Yeah, just kind of mesmerizing to look at. Feels like you're looking at a jellyfish or something. Glowing. Really, really neat lume. Just great watch overall. Neat addition to the line. You know, well, I like to tilt it here a little bit, but I'd like to thank you guys for taking the time to watch the video. It's a cool watch to talk about, so I'm always glad you guys can join me on these, and that we're able to get some of these cool watches. Check us out at depalas.com. Please like and subscribe, and I'm kind of doing this stuff by myself here, guys, with the videos, so sorry if they're not perfect or anything like that, but trying my best with all this. All right. Thank you. Have a good one. Thanks. Bye.